Hi friends, today I would like to introduce you our RFID smart cards. What is RFID smart card? RFID card is a smart card with an RFID chip that can transmit data through the radio frequency signals. How RFID works? When an active RFID reader is scanning within a RFID chip in its working area, the RFID card can be scanned by wireless radio frequency signals and achieve data identification, communication, and transmit. What are the different types of RFID smart cards? According to frequency, RFID smart card can be divided into low frequency cards, high frequency cards, and ultra high frequency cards. According to materials, there are RFID paper cards, RFID PVC cards, RFID epoxy cards, RFID ABS cards, RFID wood cards, and RFID metal cards. According to size, there are RFID standard cards and RFID non-standard cards. What surface cut of RFID smart cards can do? The surface cut of RFID smart card can do such as QR code printing, barcode printing, serial number printing, magnetic strip, glossy or matte finish, metallic gold finish, signature panel, hole punching with rope, anti-counterfeit logo, and OPP bag. What is the RFID smart card's obligation? RFID smart cards are widely used in access control, hotel management, public transportation, library management, membership management, animal checking, parking management, warehouse and supplier chain management, and so on. If you are interested in, welcome to contact us. Thank you.